Hey guys, welcome to DevOps Easy Learning. This is the continuation of the DevOps Terminology series. To view the previous terminologies, kindly click on the link below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting on the subscribe button below. Next on our list of DevOps terminologies is Git. Git is a distributed version control system widely used in software development and DevOps practices. It allows multiple developers to collaborate on projects, track changes, and manage source code repositories efficiently. Git provides features like branching, merging, and conflict resolution, enabling seamless collaboration and version control in distributed teams. Infrastructure as code. Infrastructure as code treats infrastructure provisioning and management as code artifacts. It involves defining infrastructure configurations in a programmable format, including servers, networks, and storage. IAC tools like Terraform or CloudFormation automate, ensure consistency, and enable versioning of infrastructure deployments, simplifying management and replication of environments. Incident management. Incident management in DevOps is the swift response and resolution of incidents or service disruptions within an organization. DevOps incident management emphasizes minimizing downtime, rapidly restoring services, and learning from incidents to prevent future occurrences. It typically involves incident identification, triage, resolution, and post-incident analysis. Next is infrastructure monitoring. Infrastructure monitoring in DevOps entails gathering and analyzing data from diverse infrastructure elements like servers, networks, and applications to ensure their performance, availability, and reliability. DevOps teams utilize monitoring tools and practices to gain insight into infrastructure health, detect issues, and proactively address potential bottlenecks or failures. Next is Jenkins. Jenkins, a popular open-source automation server, plays a pivotal role in DevOps by facilitating building, testing, and deploying software applications. It serves as a robust platform for continuous integration and delivery workflows, enabling teams to automate build processes, conduct tests, and deploy software consistently. With its extensive plugin ecosystem, Jenkins offers remarkable adaptability to various DevOps environments, making it a preferred choice among developers and teams. If you enjoy our content and want more of it, kindly do well to subscribe to our channel by hitting on the subscribe button.